In today's video, I'll show you how to get Etsy verification codes. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to our profile icon and you'll see a little drop down. Click on that. And then in here, you'll see account settings. Inside of here, you want to click on security. Then from there, click on turn on two-factor authentication or 2FA. And here you can choose your authentication option. Now, if you want a code, you're going to want to click on SMS. However, you can also opt for any of the other options. All right, then click on continue. Now you need to enter your country code, then enter your phone number, and they are going to send you a verification code once you click on send code, and you'll put it in box 2. And then hit continue. Now here you're going to receive a whole bunch of verification codes if this is your first time setting up. And you want to save these. So save them physically, save them digitally, and maybe even on a cloud storage. And then you can hit done. And there you go. You have now set up two-factor authentication. So anytime you log into Etsy, they are going to send you a verification code. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.